Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. Today video we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I will provide the link in the description. From there you can apply for that job. So first hiring is conducted by the Tower Research Capital and they are hiring as core engineering intern. The location in which they are hiring is Gurgaon. The qualifications are required for this role is means a candidate must have a computer science degree with additional such as you should have good problem solving abilities, solid background in data structures and algorithms, knowledge of Python and Java, shell scripts and Linux system, knowledge of SQL and NoSQL, then ability to manage multitasks in a fast-paced environment, and you should have strong English communication skills. So these kind of skill set and qualifications are required. So next hiring is conducted by the Johnson Controls and they are hiring as associate software engineer. As a data scientist they are hiring. The location in which they are hiring is Pune and this is the job description. Coming up to the skills and qualifications are required. A bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, BE, BTech, MCA, MCS and or related fields can be applied for the job. Knowledge of Python, SQL and Azure is essential. Familiar with the Agile framework will be the plus point. Strong troubleshooting and debugging skills. Excellent problem solving abilities with a proactive and dynamic approach. A passion for learning and growing in a fast-paced environment. So these kind of qualifications and skills are required. So if you have, then you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the TCS and they are hiring for 2026, 2025 and 2024 batch and it will be the NQT exam. So 0 to 1 years of experience can be applied for the job for prime and digital, and 1 to 2 experience can be get higher CTC. Okay. Registration date has been started from 18 February and it will end on 20 March 2026. The test will be on 10th March. Apply for this role. So next hiring is conducted by the MetLife and they are hiring as junior software developer engineer and the location in which they are hiring is kind of hybrid will be there. Full-time opportunity it is. Here you can see the job description. Testing and planning preparation, test execution, defect management, documentation and reporting, collaboration and continuous improvement, technical expertise. The education is required. Bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. 0 to 2 years of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers also apply for the job. And these are the skill set are required. ServiceNow knowledge, test design, ATF, manual testing, defect management, integration testing, data validation, reporting and scripting. So these kind of skill set, experience and qualifications are required. So next hiring is conducted by the Simple Logic IT Private Limited and they are hiring as freshers as infrastructure trainee and it will be the walk-in drive. And the location in which they are hiring is Mumbai and the date of the walk-in drive will be 20th Feb 2026. Timing will be around 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Immediate joiners are preferred and this is the registration link. As you click on this link, one form will get open. Fill that form and attend this walk-in drive. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.